everyone. I'm at a new location today on this windy Saturday morning in the south. And you're going to need a couple tools for today's workout. One, you'll need your set of handheld weights. Two, you will need something to time yourself for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll need your water. For sure you'll need water. And last thing you'll need is a piece of paper. And on that piece of paper, you're going to write the numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh boy, this is really going to be fun because we're having a cloudburst and you guys are going to get to see me in action. This is where I talk the talk and not just walk the walk. Or I walk the walk and not just talk the talk. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. On your piece of paper, write flies, side lunges, tricep extensions, jump squats, bicep curls, and 1 to 2 minutes of run or step-ups or jump rope, okay? Something like that. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to put our piece of paper down. And the weather here today is really crazy. It's like raining sideways, whereas right before I started the video it wasn't raining at all. So, interesting thing here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and warm up. Hands out in front, open up to the back. All right, arms come out, twist open. All right, we're going to take it down to a squat. Down and up. And let's do a few practice lunges. Lunge to the side, come back to the center. Lunge to the side, come back together. Okay? Heel kicks. My paper's getting wet. My weights are getting wet. This is going to be really interesting today. Okay, so remember on your piece of paper, the first thing you have are flies. So you're going to grab your weights. You're going to start out, you're going to do 10 of everything. Then we're going to take a rest from the strength training, and we're going to go out. My son's not going to follow me outside because it's raining so hard. But you'll see me leave. And then we'll come back and you'll go down the scale. You'll go to 9, and then you'll run, and then you'll go 8 for everything. So let's start out with flies first. The wider, the harder. The more narrow, the easier. Okay, here we go. Let's do 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go right into side lunges. And side, come back up. Now on these, even though it's 10 each side. So it's 20 lunges total. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you're sitting back on your hips. Halfway there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're going to go right into triceps. 1 weight, 1 leg out, 10 of them right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I wish you guys could smell the air right now. It smells amazing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go right into jump squats. We've done these before. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, grab your weights, We're going to go right into bicep curls. Not your regular bicep curls, we're slowing these down. Half time, resist on the way up and on the way down, and flex. So it's 10, 9, 8, watch the cameraman, 7, I think he might be falling asleep, he's mesmerized by the rain, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2, last one. Okay, so my son's going to follow me as far as he can, but I'm going to disappear. Monsoon out here. Seriously, 5 minutes ago it wasn't even like this. So now you're going to take your weights down. You're going to run or walk, fast pace, 1 to 2 minutes, or you're going to step up on some steps, or you're going to jump some rope. 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Here I go. Wow, that was fun. It's like monsoon. Okay, next time what you'll do, you'll grab your weights, you'll go into 9s, okay? Same thing, come back, 8. Same thing, just keep repeating, keep your heart rate up, make sure you get your water in between. Have a good workout, guys.